Okay, so once you've noodled yourself into home posture with low arms, we're gonna do a roll up to a rib cage lock up on 1. 1. On 2, we're rolling down to a pelvic pop into a drop. So here was 1, 2. Release, pull it right back. 3, we're gonna slow our roll because we don't need to get up to the rib cage pop lift until 4. 4. Pulling back down right away again into a roll. On 5 is a pelvic drop, and that's a lock. So we're going lock, pop, pop, lock. Again, lock, pop, pop, lock. So on 3, there's no accent. Things slow down a little bit. You're still rolling up to your ribcage lift, pop. So this will go with the music. The lower, heavier beats are locks, and there's a sound that sounds kind of like a clap, higher pitched sound. Those are your pops. So locks happen on 1 and 5, just like our hip drop, noodle, hip drop, 1 and 5. And there's 2 pops hiding in there on 2 and 4, in between your locks. Lock, pop, pop, lock. So the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,